Welcome to the best picks. The best mobile TV stand is probably one of the most sought-after furniture pieces for those who value both convenience and style, offering a seamless blend of mobility and aesthetic appeal. This video will dive into the top picks, helping you find the perfect stand to complement your home entertainment setup and lifestyle, considering factors such as size, weight capacity, material, and overall design. Number 5. VIVO Stand TV04M TV Cart. This is the VIVO Stand TV04M, a versatile TV cart designed for screens 13 to 60 inches. It's perfect for homes, offices, or any setting where mobility is needed. It supports a wide range of TVs, from LCD and LED to OLED and 4K models. It easily accommodates various sizes and weights, up to 55 pounds. With its 4 locking casters, it transitions from stationary to mobile in seconds. Move it around with ease, wherever you need it. Adjust it to your perfect viewing angle. It offers tilt functionality and height adjustment for maximum comfort. It includes a handy shelf for your DVD player, streaming devices, or other accessories. Keep everything organized and within reach. Setting it up is a breeze. All the hardware and clear instructions are included, so you can get your TV mounted quickly. What we like. It supports a wide range of TV sizes and types. The simple setup process makes it quick to get started. If you need a mobile TV stand that's easy to assemble and use with various TVs, this is a great option for you. What people say. The stand took about 40 minutes to put together. Very sturdy. I didn't get the extra tall version, and I'm glad the regular version is plenty tall. In fact, I had to lower it from the max height for comfortable viewing. Shown attaches is a Vizio 65. Mount comes with 6 sizes of screws, so no matter the TV you'll have what you need. Was able to put my Switch, Blu-ray DVD, and wireless keyboard mouse on the shelf nicely and feed all the cords through the hiding holes. Brakes on casters are very nice and easy of tilt adjusting movement of stand are a nice touch. Casters are strong. This isn't cheap quality. For holding such a large TV, I am still surprised by just how stable this stand is with the TV on. Not to mention how impressed I was at how I was able to do this all by myself without any extra sets of hands to help out. The stand looks very nice, not a single quality related issue. It rolls around easily, and once it is where needed, it's a simple matter to lock the wheels in place. The instructions are very clear and simple to follow. The stand itself is made of very heavy-duty materials that hold my heavy TV securely and will last a good long time. No cheap plastic casters here. Not only is the stand mobile, the casters roll easily on the thick carpet, but the height placement of the TV on the stand is adjustable. They've even included a level. Once the desired height is set and the TV is mounted, it can be tilted up or down by quite a bit. The under TV shelf is perfect for remote or DVR or gaming deck. Number 4. Rfiver Mobile TV Cart. This versatile cart is perfect for TVs from 23 to 60 inches. It's designed to be both sturdy and easy to move around your home or office. It fits most LCD, LED, OLED, and plasma TVs, as well as curved screens and computer monitors. The maximum VISA compatibility is 400 by 400 mm. This cart is built with all-metal construction and can hold TVs up to 88 pounds. It also comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty for your peace of mind. Adjust the height to find your perfect viewing angle. The included shelf is great for holding additional AV equipment like a DVD player or gaming console. The rolling cart moves easily thanks to its wheels with locks. It's compact enough to easily move out of the way when needed. All parts are clearly labeled and the instructions are easy to follow. You'll have it assembled in no time. What we like. This one boasts a high weight capacity. Its sturdy build ensures stability. If you prioritize a robust and reliable stand with a manufacturer's warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. The cart is incredibly durable, easily supporting my 55-inch TV without any wobble. The materials feel solid and well constructed, giving me confidence in its long-term use. The height adjustability and smooth mobility make it perfect for various settings, whether for presentations, gaming, or home use. The wheels glide effortlessly, and the locking mechanism keeps it stable when needed. It accommodates a wide range of TV sizes, 23 to 60 inches, and is compatible with curved screens. Number 3. PERLESMITH PS-TV-MC03 Rolling TV Stand. This versatile stand is perfect for TVs from 32 to 83 inches and up to 110 pounds. It's designed for easy mobility and optimal viewing. With 7 height settings, you can find the perfect viewing level for your comfort. The shelf also offers 5 adjustable heights for your media components. It features a tilt function, allowing you to adjust the screen from -15 degrees to +5 degrees. This reduces glare and ensures a comfortable viewing experience. Move it effortlessly on its 4 360 degrees rotating wheels. The lockable wheels and secure brackets keep your TV safe and stable. The stand's design ensures stability, even on uneven surfaces. The recessed support columns allow for easy placement behind furniture. Take it from the living room to the bedroom or even outdoors. Enjoy your favorite shows wherever you are. What we like. It offers a wide range of height adjustments. The tilting feature optimizes viewing angles. If you need a tall, adjustable stand with a tilt function for comfortable viewing, this is perfect for you. What people say. Exactly as described. Incredibly simple assembly. It came with all required components in individually labeled pouches and even included required wrenches. Very sturdy and easy to maneuver. Tall and stable. The mobility is an added plus over wall mounting. Given the wide stance of the wheels, it does not feel like it is going to tip over when I move it around. Easy assembly 1.5 hour, no missing parts. All holes, intersections aligned perfectly. Very heavy and robust construction. Tilt mechanism works perfectly. Nice flat black finish. All tools supplied. High quality wheel assembly. Easy height adjustment with safety pins. Number 2. PERLESMITH PS-TV-MC05 TV Cart. This mobile TV cart is designed for easy movement and setup. It's compatible with most TVs from 32 to 82 inches. It fits a wide range of TV sizes and weights, holding up to 100 pounds. The versatile design ensures compatibility with your existing TV. This rolling stand frees up valuable floor space. Plus, it features cable management to keep your wires organized and neat. Lockable caster wheels allow for easy movement and added security. Take it anywhere you need a TV. Adjust the height to your preference, from 44 to 60 inches. It also includes a shelf for your other AV components. No wall drilling required. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions and all necessary hardware. What we like. It helps free up floor space. The design includes cable management features. If you're looking for a mobile and space-saving TV stand with neat cable organization, this is a great choice. What people say. Purchase 2 for university setting use with 2 mounted 50 monitors that could be easily repositioned on stage during theater to film COVID project. Good overall design and build. Variable hold strength with individual foot engaged caster stops, but stops are on all 4 wheels, so that helps. I really like having the lower floor level platform to use for sandbag stage weights, 1 on each side of center columns for extra stability. An extra bonus, the small top shelf was very easy to adapt to attach a cold shoe mount for a wireless video receiver. It was easy to assemble and rolls freely with locks when needed on the wheels. It's very sturdy and holds our TV as desired without looking bulky. This stand is amazing. It weighs about the same as the TV, 55.5 pounds. The base is very wide, making the unit extremely stable. The rollers are not simply pop-in rollers. Nope, these have huge screws and screw all the way into the base. No way these are falling out accidentally while rolling. All the metal components are top grade, and fit together without problem. Number 1. PERLESMITH PS-TV-MC01 Rolling TV Stand. This rolling TV stand is perfect for TVs from 32 to 85 inches and holds up to 132 pounds. It's easy to move and adjust to your perfect viewing height. With its lockable wheels, it moves smoothly from room to room or even outdoors. Adjust its height from 33.5 to 59.6 inches for optimal viewing comfort. It features a spacious shelf for your devices and cleverly designed cable management to keep everything neat and organized. It's perfect for your gaming consoles, DVD players, and more. Made of durable stainless steel, it provides stable support for your TV. The easy-to-follow instructions and included hardware make assembly a breeze. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or even a public space, this versatile stand is the perfect solution for any viewing environment. Enjoy the ultimate viewing experience. We stand behind our product with excellent customer service. If you have any questions or concerns, our after-sales team is here to help you. What we like. It has an impressive weight capacity. It offers multiple height settings for comfortable viewing. If you need a heavy-duty, easily movable stand with flexible height adjustment, this is ideal for you. What people say. This stand is even better quality and better looking than it appears in the photos. At this excellent price point I expected sharp edges on the tops of the stand tubes, but as you can see they are nicely rounded and enameled. Even without the provided end caps, the edges would probably not abrade the cables you route through the tubes. The assembly was fairly simple and produced a stand that feels incredibly sturdy. It holds my 65-inch LG OLED nice and steady. Rolling it around the room does not feel unstable at all. This TV stand works great for my 85-inch QLED 4K HDR 144Hz Hisense TV. Sturdy and durable, and the castor wheels on the bottom make moving it a breeze. The coaster wheels are great quality. So even though the stand has sheave-duty metal construction, even with my 55 Roku TV on it, it moves with ease on laminate wood flooring in my living room. It comes with 4 different sets of screws, washers, and mounting hardware to accommodate most TV mounting holes. Exceptional fit and finish, clear, intuitive assembly instruction booklet. Sturdy strong, especially impressed by the quality and locking capability of the casters, and by the dimensions and robustness of the shelf for laptops or playback devices, all of that was spot on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.